Hey everyone, welcome to Italy. Are you ready to eat? Today, we're going on a delicious adventure to learn how to make classic Italian food. We're talking about the really good stuff, the dishes everyone loves. Forget that frozen food you buy at the store. We're going to learn how to cook real Italian food. Get ready to learn the secrets of these famous dishes. We're starting with spaghetti carbonara, a dish that's super simple, but easy to mess up. This isn't like Alfredo sauce, okay? We're using smooth eggs, sharp pecorino romano cheese, crispy pancetta, and no cream. Get your pan really hot. Cook that pancetta until it's nice and crispy. Then mix those eggs with a little pasta water to make a creamy sauce. Remember, don't overcook the eggs. Scrambled eggs are for breakfast, not for my carbonara. Next, we're making margherita pizza, which looks just like the Italian flag. We're using a simple dough made with just flour, water, yeast, and a pinch of salt. Don't even think about using store-bought dough. Stretch it out nice and thin, then add crushed San Marzano tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, and some basil leaves. Cook it in a very hot oven until the crust is puffy and golden brown. Add a drizzle of olive oil and some salt, and you'll have a pizza that would make Naples proud. Now let's talk about lasagna, the ultimate comfort food. We're talking about layers of fresh pasta, flavorful meat sauce, creamy bechamel, and lots of Parmesan cheese. Cook that meat until it's brown, make sure those onions are nice and soft, and let those tomatoes simmer until they're bursting with flavor. Layer everything up, bake it in the oven until it's bubbly and golden, and then let it rest. You have to let those flavors mix together, okay? A good lasagna is worth the wait. Now, let's make risotto, a dish that's a little tricky. This isn't your everyday rice dish. You need patience, you need to stir it a lot, and you need to cook it with love. Use arborio rice, toast it in butter and onions, then add hot stock, 1 ladle at a time, stirring all the time until the rice is creamy. You can add anything you want, mushrooms, asparagus, saffron, it's up to you. Just don't serve me crunchy risotto. That's a no-no in Italian cooking. Finally, let's end with something sweet, tiramisu. This dessert is beautiful and delicious. We're dipping ladyfingers in coffee, then layering them with mascarpone cheese, eggs and sugar, and dusting it all with cocoa powder. Make sure those ladyfingers aren't too soggy. The mascarpone cream should be light and fluffy, and the cocoa powder is the finishing touch. This dessert is the perfect ending to a real Italian meal. There you have it. 5 famous Italian recipes that will make you cook like a true Italian grandma. Now, go to the kitchen and start cooking. And when you've impressed your friends and family with these dishes, come back and tell me about it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cooking fun. Now get out of my kitchen.